Hello everyone, I'm Andy. Today I'm going to talk about my science fair, which is the effect of melting speed of ice by adding different compounds. First, I'm going to talk about the introduction. In this experiment, I'm going to test the effect of melting speed of ice by adding different kinds of elements. And I would like to find the reasons of which makes those elements to affect the melting speed of ice. Those are some background informations, such as then my independent variables of this experiment is that the different types of powder that can affect the speed of ice melting. And I choose salt, sugar, alcohol, flour, pepper, and one control group. My dependent variables are the melting speed of ice, and I will make sure it by using timers to collect the melting time of ice after every experiment. Also, my 5 control variables are same type of ice, same amount of ice, same amount of powder, same temperature in the lab, and same container. Because different, if we didn't control those 5 variables the same, those will all affect the result of the data. And in our normal life, we can find out lots of people using different elements to make change the speed of ice melting, and such as in some cold countries they will use salt to make the snow melt faster, and when we are drinking smoothie, the smoothie will first melt apart with sugar, so when we drink later the smoothie will taste as not as sweet as before. My hypothesis is that if we add salt on the ice, then the melting speed will be faster than adding other powders on ice, because salt got the lowest freezing point than other elements in this experiment. Those are those are my materials. Those are my procedures, and those are my 5 safety rules. Those safety rules are not just normal knowledge. It should be like every people who are doing my experiment will need to be known for special. Those are my data tables and the data graph for the table. And this is my pattern. Evaluating the hypothesis. My my data suggests my hypothesis, which is the group which got salt dissolved in the ice will melt the fastest in this experiment, because when because salt got the lowest freezing point of than other elements in this experiment. And this is my conclusion. I conclude that this experiment has solved my original problem. This is because I had found out that which element will affect the melting speed of ice the most, which is salt, because salt got the lowest freezing point than other elements we use in this experiment. So when salt dissolves in the ice, it will lower down the freezing point of the ice the most. I also made some errors in this lab, such as I didn't make sure the size of the ice cube are the same. So when we are doing the experiment, we can find out that the surface area which attach the elements of ice are different. So it would also affect the melting speed of ice. This investigation, and this is my improvement. At the end, I also find out a new question after I finish the experiment, which is how could the amount of element affect the melting speed of ice? Those are my favorite reference. Thank you.